Mounting instruction for microswitch in isolated position indication. Tools required: screwdriver, 13 mm spanner. These are the accessories and hardware required. Check the status of the breaker. The breaker should be in off position. Check the racking interlock if any. Now, breaker is in service position. Take out the racking handle from the cradle. Insert the handle in the slot provided for rack in and rack out, and rotate it in anti-clockwise direction until breaker comes to isolated position. Place the racking handle back to its position. Pull out the breaker up to maintenance position. Remove the mounting nuts on both telescopic rail of the cradle as shown. Unload breaker from cradle. Fix the incline assembly on the right telescopic rail with 2 screws as shown. Use top holes of incline assembly to mount it on telescopic rail. Tighten the screws. Take adjustable support. Use first 2 holes of adjustable support for mounting of microswitch. Place insulating strip over it and fix the microswitch on the adjustable support with the help of screw with plane and spring washer. Tighten the screws. Fix the adjustable support using 2 screws in the tapped holes provided on right side plate of cradle. Connect continuity to common and normally open contact of the microswitch. Take telescopic rail to isolated position. Continuity glows when isolated position achieved. Tighten the adjustable plate fully with the help of screwdriver. Wire the microswitch as required. Place the breaker over cradle rail with mounting slot of breaker matching with the pins of cradle. Place the spring washers and nuts and tighten the nuts on both telescopic rails. Push the breaker to isolated position. Rack in the breaker to service position.